Hello buddy, still with me, Mr. Mulyadi. I like to draw with you, we learn together, yeah? Okay. I gonna draw this beautiful girl. What I prepare is, this is doodle, the pencil shape from the paper to smudging the detail like this, okay? For the detail, the shadow like this, yeah? And later we will show, okay? And then this is charcoal pencil. If you don't have, you can use pencil HB or 2B first, the regular pencil. This is to draw the sketch and to see the. Okay, let's start to draw. First, I'm gonna draw the eyes, the upper curve, yeah. Actually, if you still not confident, you can use pencil first. But because I already draw many times, I do directly with this charcoal. So I can show the drawing to you. If I use pencil, the drawing will be not showing. Okay. Okay, now the eyes part, see? For the dark area, you can press it. For the light area, you can press a bit. Okay, and this is the eyes full now. Okay, actually, if you already draw many times the face figure, you can draw this without example. Let's see, I draw eyelash by press up, press up, press up, and this is the eyebrow. Actually the classic eyebrow with a short line by press up, but this is the modern one. I just doing shading there. Okay, yeah, thank you very much for your to watch my channel, but please like and subscribe. Thank you. And this one, the other eyes part, I measure it first just now, yeah. If you need line, just draw it. Okay, I draw line a bit only here. Yeah, this is the down of the eyes. Yeah, while I draw, I will give you some tips for you, yeah. So it is okay if out of the object now. And this is the eyes again. Okay, yeah, in this when you draw the eyes, make sure it's hanging on the up part, okay, because some of up part is covered the ball eyes, yeah, look at that. So it will not really circle there. This is around 20% covered by the up part. And then this is eyebrow again. Yeah, I hope you're not bored with my explanation. Please comment if you like, or if you have any idea or critical. And this is nose. The easy nose is actually from the curve left and right, and give the shadow a bit at down of the nose. Or you can start from letter V and set line side and other side. See, like this. Yeah, you just follow the way I draw, the way the pencil go. It's go up, just follow up, go left, follow left. Okay, go right, follow right. Okay. Yeah, I try to smudging with my finger. Now I start to smudging with my finger. If you don't want use finger, you can use cotton bud or some tissue. It is okay also. But my hand is a bit small, so yeah, I can reach the detail. Yeah, this is nose area. Okay, later I will smudge again. I will blend again with the doodle, yeah, because this is spreading. Some line is gone, and I try to draw the mouth. It's like small letter V and draw slanting down, right, left and right, and draw the middle part of the mouth. Don't forget to curve the center part or the middle part, because the shape is like that. Yeah, mouth now. Disturbing a bit with the WhatsApp message, but it's okay. Let's continue, yeah? Yeah, I try to shadow it. Don't forget, when you shadow it, use your tone of your pencil. Sometimes you press it, sometimes no. Smudging again with my finger. Yeah, the lip now. Okay. In the method of the portrait drawing, there is a finishing touch later, yeah. So finishing touch means you have to fix all the things to make it similar or make it more beautiful. That is need times. Okay. Actually, for me, 10 minutes is enough to showing you, yeah. Yeah, I draw the other hand, line only, and I draw the side of the face. Be careful with this, you have to use pencil or you have to do carefully, because if the shape of the face is not really good, the face will be not beautiful. Yeah, again. Yeah, actually the type of the hair is, there's two types, yeah. First, the string hair and the string type, and the second is the leaf shape. And that I use is leaf combine of that. First I do leaf shape to boundary the hairline, and later the string shape for shading the hair to make it more natural. Okay, I think only that one as my tips. Later I gonna show you more drawing. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Keep watch my channel, yeah. Please subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Bye bye.